Hello, Peter checking in again. This is day 4 of our meditation series. But today we want to talk about moving meditation. Why is it so important to move the body? Well, it is so important because we hold on to a lot of tension and stress in our body. Some people hold it in their shoulders, always holding their shoulders. Some people in their hips. Some people get it in their knees, or they get it in their hands. And it's really important to move the body to get this energy to flow out of the body so that you can refresh it. It's a bit like when you have a vintage car. If you put that into a garage for 20 years and cover it up so no dust gets in there, you get it out and it'll probably start straight away, or if you put a new battery in there. If you did the same to us and we don't move for 20 years, we probably wouldn't survive. Maybe we would, but our muscles would be terrible, our ligaments and our bones would be in a terrible state. So it's really important to move the body for many reasons. And one of the reasons we do it with Qigong is actually to combine the mind, the body and the breath together so that you can really focus on where your attention goes, because where your attention goes, your energy will flow. And if we're flowing with good energy, we'll tend to move our life into a good direction. That's why Qigong, moving meditation, is so important. You can try one of the exercises on the link below in the 5 meditation and mindfulness webinar that I've created for you, or try a Qigong class on this YouTube channel every Sundays and Wednesdays 10:55. Anyway, I want you to get deeper into meditation so you can transform your life into a better place. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next video.